What is a complete life? Is it the glory of the sunrise? Is it the touch of a newborn? Is it the color of mischief? Is it the sound of success? Is it a dip in the pool of luxury? Is it the feeling of being loved? Or is it simply love of life? Presenting Poornam, the complete life. An upcoming spectacular residential project focused towards holistic well-being. Strategically designed for families seeking a work-life balance and Zen living. Nestled in the most serene corner of Hinjewadi Phase 2, this project offers premium 2 and 3 BHK homes featuring splendid panoramas. A constant pleasing vibe surrounds the location. This is where city life blends with nature. A smart upgrade that connects you to multiple touchpoints with ease. Poornam is close to many infratechs and multinational workspaces. Hassle-free commute to top educational institutions, renowned colleges, healthcare facilities make Poornam a perfect choice of the home buyers. Also in close proximity to entertainment, malls and markets, nothing is far away. Excellent connectivity to major highways will allow you to enjoy your quick getaways on weekends. The upcoming metro stations and ring road are an added advantage, making your commute more convenient. Poornam, the complete life, is just a short distance from Pune's best areas. Poornam offers uber-cool amenities for all age groups. A soothing lobby at the entrance warmly welcomes you after your long and tiring day. You can relish and rejuvenate with these spacious and well-ventilated interiors along with breathtaking views. Packed with top-notch premium specifications, these thoughtfully designed homes will complete you in every sense. So what are you waiting for? Call us today. Poornam, the complete life. A project by Wellworth Realty, a Dhananjay Modak venture. Wellworth Realty has been known as one of Pune's leading promoters and builders for over 2 decades. The company has distinguished itself by giving the city some of its most prestigious residential and commercial projects.